Let's try to simplify the given logarithmic expression. We'll begin by rewriting our expression. So we have log of 9 over 14. So we'll factorize number 9. So that is 3 times 3 divided by 14. So factors of 14 will be 2 and 7. So we have 2 times 7 plus log of, we have 35. So 35 will be 7 times 5 divided by 24. So 24 is 3 times 8 and 8 is 2 cubed minus log of 15. So 15 is 3 times 5 divided by 16, which is 2 raised to the power of 4. Now what we can do, we can combine the first term and the second term using the property of logarithm, which is log of a plus log of b. So that's equals to log of a times b. So this gives us log of 3 times 3 times 7 times 5 divided by 2 times 7 times 3 times 2 cubed minus log of 3 times 5 divided by 2 raised to the power of 4. Now we are left with two logarithms, and they can also be combined with another property of logarithm, which is log of a minus log of b. So that's equals to log of a divided by b. Let's use this property and we will get log of, so we have 3 times 7 times 5 divided by 2 times 7 times 3 times 2 cubed. The dividing by this number is the same as multiplying it with its reciprocal. So we have 2 raised to the power of 4 divided by 3 times 5. So here, a couple of terms will get cancelled out. So we have 3. So this 3 and this 3 goes away. This 3 and this 3. 5 goes away. 7 goes away. And we have 2 raised to the power of 4. And 2 raised to find the denominator as well. So that means we are only left with 1. And this means we have log of 1. Now regardless of the base of this logarithm, whenever we have a log of 1, so this value is always equals to 0. So that means the simplified value of a given logarithmic expression is equals to 0.